Hi to you out there. Thank you so much for clicking and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am called El Star Africa, and in today's amazing episode, I am out here at the Grand Mall waiting on a Cameroonian YouTuber. That's the brain behind Plus City. For most of you who have been watching Plus City and probably didn't have an idea of who is behind this awesome YouTube channel, just cross your fingers while we wait on this amazing guy, this amazing brain behind Plus City. So if you're new here, what are you waiting for? Please consider clicking that subscribe button and also clicking the bell icon to turn on notifications, so that anytime I'll upload new and interesting videos about Cameroon and Africa as a whole, you won't miss out on any of them. And right now I am here at the Grand Mall. Like, this is the view we've got out here, because here you've got the road that is leading to Yaoundé and going back to town to the airport and all of that. So let me just show you the view we've got out here. For most of you who are probably new to this channel, I earlier did a video about this Grand Mall, so I will probably leave the link in the description box so that you can go check that video out and give a rating to that video. Like, tell me what you think about it. Like, will you be expecting a part 2 or something like that? But then let me show you the awesome view we've got out here. I'm not gonna flip my camera because, man, I'm using a phone, and so we're just gonna take the images as you're seeing it now. Like, literally, that's the view we've got out here. Just cross your fingers while we wait on him to come. And if you're new here, like, this is the second time I'll be meeting a Cameroonian YouTuber. So I would say, like, it is a series on this channel I'll be making about meeting Cameroonian YouTubers. Like, whenever I'm meeting a Cameroonian YouTuber, I'm gonna document, like, make a video and just post so that you can see and probably learn something from that video. You is a content creator, I mean, stuff like that. So
it is here that a taxi man, like a taxi just came and stopped in front of me. Like, I was like stranded.
Like, I've been waiting here for so long, and I just thank God that he called now that he is here. So at least things will be a little bit facilitated for me right now. At least I feel somehow relieved, because I've been so stressed up. Like, man, you won't get it, because I've been here for like quite a long time. But thank God he's here already.
I don't actually know what happened. I had to take a video of meeting, like how we met and all of that, but then I can't really explain what happened. But then, sorry I couldn't take the video. But then this video is about showing you the activities we could carry out on this day, and just stay tuned and you're gonna learn something new. Like, you're gonna see some of the new things that will be coming to this channel probably in the coming days, in the coming weeks. So consider watching to the end, such that you'll be informed about some of the things that will happen on this channel, and I mean, stuff like that. So now on my channel, expect drone shots in some of the few videos I'll be uploading. But then don't think that this will be somehow constant, because there's gonna be a change. I mean, it's not on a daily basis that I'll be going out with this guy to go shoot, but then it was an opportunity, and I'm so happy. Like, I was just so happy meeting him.
trying to make some cool content for you guys. Like, brain behind everything that is happening today. Like, this guy is just so amazing, and I don't even know the qualities I got to give him, but then he's an awesome and amazing guy. Like, man, he's doing great. I'll say you are doing great, man. Yeah. Oh. And guess where Star Africa is? No. Because they're really funny set of people. Security guards there.
Now really true. You don't know talk like that's not a profession. That's not a specialty.
And please, if you're new here, like, consider subscribing, and also check out the description box. Like, the link to his channel is in the description box. He has very amazing and awesome videos. Like, you're gonna love the videos he do on his channel. Like, please just go to the description box, click that link, and subscribe to his YouTube channel, such that you will be updated on many things like sideways about Cameroon, because some of the things he'll be able to cover I won't be able to cover. And so, what are you waiting for? Consider subscribing here, and also check out the description box, so that you will get to subscribe to his channel for amazing content from Cameroon.
Done for the day.
And after we were done with everything for the day, this is what held us at Japoma. Like, I think this was past 8 already in the evening. I mean, it wasn't an easy day. Like, it was one of the longest days I've ever gone out to shoot. Like, it should be the longest, I think. But then, it was a success. Expect great